Hey guys, I'm MJ. I'm back. I'm with another new video. We'll be looking at the game called Parkour Go. It's a portable game you can play anywhere, anytime on your smartphone. It's a parkour free running game. It is a pretty good game. My experience with it was good. Now we are seeing the character. The character, I don't like the character's touches. It feels a little bit crappy and stuff, and the character running animation, and it's not good. So you can just click the corner camera option and change it to third person mode, which is feeling very good. Now let's go to the actual game. Now we are going to play. That was the demo part where I showed you the character. Now in this game you have to just run, do many levels are there. You can just finish the checkpoint, and finally you should go to the red checkpoint located at the top. As you can see, we are playing the game now. This is a level called climbing buildings. You just have to climb and climb until you reach the top red checkpoint on the building. And it also has 3 other character options which are paid. Only this character is free. The other characters look fine, but the character running animation will be same with them also. This game is available in Play Store and the Apple Store, and you can play anytime you want. It is basically a good game. The graphics also, it's not great, but it is okay. It is playable, and you can see it is good. When you fall down in this game, in some levels you can respawn at the same place, but in some levels you will definitely die. If you fall from a height and land on the starting point, then you have to start the game again. That's it, and that's all. My experience with this game, it's good. If you want to download it, I'll also give you the links in the description below for the Play Store and the Apple Store, so that you can download it from there. Thank you.